dark chocolate?
Give me, I want to eat it.
So, can you tell the ingredients first? Then I'll give you.
It's water, oil, butter, eggs. I'll just clap you. Water, butter. Okay.
Bro, stop
it. Water, butter, oil, eggs, syrup, and most important powder, and the important thing, that cup thing over there.
You can just shut up. Bro,
And
stop it.
And I am a mixer.
I'm the mixer.
By the power of mixer.
So yeah, actually it is 275 ml of water, vegetable oil 80 ml, and 3 eggs and butter. And now let's start it. So first, now I am going to open the pack and put it in this bowl. Oh, while I was looking there, this happened. What? I'm ruining it. Okay.
I can feel with my vision goggles. Is it chocolate powder?
Yep. Yes.
Put it.
You need to shut up.
Seriously.
Shisha. Yeah, got it. I didn't expect this much.
We need to pour them all for the cake.
Oh,
I'll just taste it.
oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm putting it all on the...
Can
Okay,
you
you know
do
what?
that?
Never mind.
Got a little bit messier, but no problem. First, add the 3 eggs, the 3 elements.
Putting the 3 little pigs which are actually
Oh,
very
that is so. It looks like.
Oh! Push that thing in! No! Oh! You're making it worse!
Okay, fine, mix it. Be careful, brother. You will not survive.
Seriously.
You know what? I'll just do it.
No, I know how to do it.
He's spinning the wheel. You know what? I'll just do it. Oh, it's so jelly.
Oh! I'm gonna add the oil.
Oh, add it fast. Fast.
Yeah, like aeroplane of oil coming in. Hot.
Oh, now it's working.
Yeah, the magic of
what?
magic of oil work. Actually, I just made that word up. What? So actually, we like butter, so we're gonna add it.
Add it.
Add the mighty element of butter into here.
What? Why are you telling it's an element?
Now put it
Maybe element of cake.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add some water. Oh my god, what's wrong? Okay, maybe that's enough.
So guys, the mix is ready and we have our final piece.
Also, I am going to show you guys
Yeah,
all of the chocolate. Oh yeah, boy, let's go. It's like 24 karat gold cheese.
Gold! That is brown! Now I'm gonna pour this.
Are you sure?
So
Just in
sturdy.
case, I'll put it back at plan.
Oh
my goodness.
Okay! It's turning bigger than we thought. It's turning big.
Oh, let's go!
Bro, look at this! But there's still chocolate. We transferred the cake mix into the cake molder. Now,
We are going to bake it in the oven.
so let's go.
Gaga.
Yeah, I am placing it. It's very long. Fine. Now the option roast and bake. It's me.
Stop.
Roast and bake option number 8. 3, 2,
It's gonna
1.
take 8 minutes then.
It's going to take 30 minutes. So we'll see you after 30 minutes. So guys, the cake is ready. It looks so delicious.
Yeah, put some syrup on it, baby.
No, we have to put the syrup on it. So guys, I'm going to release it and take that first before the decorations.
Abracadabra, it's already released.
Don't do magic right here, okay? I wanted to do it. It was so satisfying.
Abracadabra. See?
Oh.
Oh,
yeah.
Take out the paper.
Guys, we finished the decoration. We put in chocolate syrup, apple, and a flower.
Hello, flower.
Ready for cutting?
Take off the flower.
What? So 3, 2, 1. I want to cut my favorite cake.
Abracadabra, it's already cut it. Yes, it worked.
It works. It works. It's soft. It's soft.
Wait.
Oh.
You
The
know
first
what?
piece is mine.
No, it's mine. Mine.
Shall we get over here?
It's mine. Mine. Oh. It's mine. Put it in mine.
Look at it.
No,
guys.
look at it in mine.
It's steaming.
Put it in mine. Steaming. Oh my! You are the worst brother.
Sorry, bro. I'm going to cut another piece for you.
I will get my revenge.
So yeah, again I'm telling, it is very soft. Like literally, it's very soft. Oh, it's steaming! It's steaming. Stop! You're shaking it.
Place it down slowly.
It's sealed. Not like the first one. How is it? Try it first.
Ow. It's like heavy.
What?
It's heavy.
I cannot hear. How is it like?
It tastes like heaven.
What? I cannot hear you.
I got it. Oh my neck.
Why? What happened to your neck?
Aha.
So guys, this was very nice. So you could try it at home. So how is it, Krish?
It's super duper tasty.
Do you want to say something to our viewers? So yeah, I'm going to take one piece for myself. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is so good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So guys, it was so yummy by the taste and the look. So yeah, that's it guys. If you like a video, hit the thumbs up button, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Me and my brother will see you in the next episode. So
Bye.
Yeah, bye. But also try this also. So
Bye.